everybody, come on in. Once again, welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays. Today we are making a simple one. We are working with this beautiful oval-shaped grapevine. We are working with this beautiful non-wired ribbon. We also got some poinsettias. We got some little florals. We got some greenery. We got some boogaloos. We also got some holly and some pine cones. Okay, let's get this started. First things first, we're going to put this greenery on. Yeah. Put the greenery. How's everybody doing? Hope all is good. Mind, body, and soul. We're trying to get over this cold here. Everybody is feeling a lot better. And then let's just work our way down with some of these. I'm going to bend it. These poinsettias. Poinsettias just bring out the Christmassy, you know? It does. Let me see. Get these boogaloos in here. Boogaloos. I think I'm going to have to bend this a little. There, so stay in. Okay, now let's get on this side and see what we're working with. Got this. There. Okay. Now let's get another poinsettia in here. There. Then. Well, how's that looking, everybody? What do we always have to do? Step back and visualize. Okay, looking good, looking good. Wow. This is what a difference the hollies make. I think I'm going to get some greenery hollies on my tree. I'm thinking about, still wondering about my tree. Next week is, a week, Christmas. So we are going to get a Christmas tree, a real one. Okay, look at that, everybody. Wow, how simple and easy. Let's get this beautiful little ribbon. And let's just wrap it around here. These are pretty colors, huh? Wrap it around and tie it on and leave a little down so it'll be hanging. There. Twist it a little bit and whoops. Voila. Okay, look at that, everybody. Wow. And let me get my little easel. What do you call this? So we could pin it up and see. Show you guys what we're working with. Wow, that came out pretty beautiful. And keep this hanging with the thing. You can hang it up like that. And let me step back over here and let me visualize. Oh my. How is that, everybody? Look at that. Once again, I want to thank you guys for checking out my channel. And thanks to my subscribers. Wow. I'm getting a little extra. Thanks for supporting my channel. And I wish you all a happy holiday and a safe one. Once again, thank you for Caldera Creative Creation. If you got any ideas or inspirations, subscribe to my channel, okay? You all have a good one. See ya. Look how beautiful. Just a different texture. Be creative and visualize, you know? Wow.